In the north, that we do a lot of baby clothes, just basic line, as you will see.
Yeah.
All basic, and we ship everything to U.S., Canada. So in the south, we're gonna do all the adult and safety clothes.
So what's the actual name of your company?
So original company is the Xiaomi LTD. That's what we did that one from 2000. And then this company, because we expand our business to the south. So in Long An, we opened a factory in Long An. That's why we had to have a new company
So where was your original factory?
in Hanoi.
And then you expanded?
Yeah, so we still keep our factories in Hanoi because of, our workers still there. They've been with us for so long. We want to keep them. And at the same time, we're going to build another factories in Long An. So that's more, we expand out in the south.
And your factory in the north, what do you specialize in the north?
In the north, that we do a lot of baby clothes, just basic line, as you will see.
Yeah.
All basic. And we ship everything to U.S., Canada. So in the south, we're gonna do all the adult and safety clothes.
The reflective stripes?
Yeah.
That's impressive. For the baby garments, there's a lot of restrictions and requirements. Is the factory certified, like RAP or BSCI?
We have RAP, and then we have CPSIA for baby clothes. We renew every year.
How many sewing lines?
Sewing line for baby clothes, we have 10 sewing lines.
Wow.
And for adult, we have 15. So 1 month, we move about 500,000 pieces of t-shirt.
That's significant. If somebody comes to you without a tech pack, do you offer design and development services?
Yes, we do. So we're gonna do the design, we do the spec as well, because people come from different countries. They have different spec sheet to fit, right? So yes, we're gonna have, as long as they have an idea of what they want, we can create that, we can make that for them.
Okay. And what if they have a tech pack? Can you quote a price based on that tech pack?
Just send us the type pack, how packaging, how the spec and everything. We can use that to quote.
And what is your minimum order quantity for, say, baby clothing, like onesies?
Onesies are very basic. If the customer that want our fabric ready in stock, there's no MOQ because we have everything ready. We have like 25 colors ready, so it's okay. 500, just test out, it's okay.
Do you have your own knitting factory as well, or are you importing from China and stocking the fabric?
No, we don't import anything from China. There's nothing wrong with it, but we keep we short everything in Vietnam. We buy our yarn, we knitting in our own factory. We only send out to do the dyeing and then come back do the sewing.
And what is your typical, from the moment a customer meets you and describes what they want until you make a counter sample for them to review and approve, how long does that process usually take?
Okay, so there's two types. If customer don't have the fabric that they want, then it might take us long because we don't know what exactly how it feel and textures. If customer know exactly what they want in the fabric only, because that's gonna take a long time. So if they have sample of fabric, then it's easy. By the time we get their fabric, we're gonna test it out and see what it is. We get the price down, and then based on the spec, we're gonna put our price. I think about like less than 7 days.
So how do you check like measurements?
Yeah, we check measurement, we have a line. So from start to finish, we have table that do the QC. So each line have one person do the QC. So they check QC everything. Randomly check as well. Yeah.
Many children's brands require metal detection to try to make sure that there's not any broken needles in the fabric. How do you manage broken needles?
Broken needles. We do not have any of that issue before. I don't know if there any, but I make for customers that over 10 years. We have never have a problem with the broken needle in the shirt.
Do you have a metal detector?
We don't have the metal detector. We don't have that's something we have to look into.
And how can people contact you?
Just reach out to me at 832. Just my phone number there, 832-806-3117. It's right here, or my email.
Do you have a website?
We don't do the website.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have a LinkedIn profile?
I can create that.
LinkedIn?
LinkedIn, I know what it is. LinkedIn profile, right? I think I had it, but I never updated anything. Very long time ago.